All of a sudden, it's like, all right, tomorrow we're having 200, the next day 200. So we're just moving real fast.
We was going in and out, switching.
It was really hectic.
I see it as a challenge. Like, I take the challenge. Just try to keep everybody fed. We started at 3 a.m. and we'll probably be done at 8 p.m. Working 16-hour days every day, all that. Yeah. It was fun though.
We all like come together and we work hard. Job's done. You know, we all go home happy. Right now with the Dixie Fire going on, it's like they need their food, they need their nutrition. It feels good. It's good like cooking for the firefighters.
I'm appreciative of them. The other day we came in really late, I think it was like 3 or 4, and they waited for us and they had breakfast ready and like not even like an hour later, dinner. So it was great. I really appreciate that. I'm pretty sure my crew did too.
I like to think that keep them fed, keep them healthy, and that's what gives them the energy to go out and fight the fires and keep the community safe.
Good to have like a positive attitude. Like, you know, you understand why you're waking up, why you're working. You're actually helping the firefighters. They need calories, you know. I think you're helping fight fires too, like in a way.
Thank you, buddy.